Dear students, in this session, we are going to discuss about the crayfish. Crayfish are freshwater crustaceans belonging to the class Astacedia, including lobsters. They breathe through a feather-like structure known as gills. Some species are found in streams where fresh water is running, while others thrive in swamps, ditches and paddy fields. Most crayfish cannot tolerate polluted water, although some species such as Procambarus salarki are harder and can survive in low polluted water. Crayfish feed on animals and plants, either living or decomposing and detritus. Crayfish mate in the autumn and lay eggs in the spring. The eggs attached to the female's abdomen hatch in 5 to 8 weeks. The larvae remain on the mother for several weeks. The sexual maturity is achieved in the few months to several years, and the lifespan ranges from 1 to 20 years, depending on the species. Crayfish go through 4 distinct life stages. They start as eggs, progress from being hatchlings into being juvenile, then to being adult crayfish. Of course, the amount of time spent in each stage is different for most species. In addition, it can be affected by the environment like temperature and the availability of food. The life cycle of a crayfish is a fascinating process that begins with the fertilization of an egg and continues through several stages of development until the crayfish reaches adulthood and becomes capable of reproducing. The crayfish goes through several molts and it stars as it grows and develops and eventually reaches sexual maturity. During mating, the male and the female crayfish come together to transform sperm, which fertilizes the female's eggs and produces offspring. The female carries the eggs on her abdomen until they hatch into hatchlings, which go through several stages of development until they reach adulthood themselves. Overall, the life cycle of a crayfish is a complex and dynamic process that involves many different stages and adaptations for survival in various environments.